Hello, my creative designers. Welcome to this amazing channel XD Design. Today we are going to make an amazing animation of car delivery app in Figma. So without further ado, let's get creative, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe also. Tell me, what do you want next by commenting below. So guys, I have these two artboards that I already designed. If you want full design tutorial of these artboard, then comment below. So now we'll make space in between them. And now duplicate the first artboard twice and align it. Now I am on second artboard, select all text and button, also the navigation buttons, and decrease their opacity to 0. And now download an image of container and place it like this. Align it well, make sure the image of car and container are in one line. Now copy that container and place it on the first artboard and bring that image down. Now duplicate of second artboard and select car image and move it inside the container. Make sure the image of container at front layer, otherwise image of car should not do inside container image. Now select that car and container and copy it and place to the third artboard and slightly move down, make that image not visible on artboard like this. Also text behind, decrease its opacity to 0. On prototyping, link order button to second artboard and select on tap Smart Animate Gentle 800 milliseconds. Select second artboard, link to the third. On after delay of 500 milliseconds, Smart Animate Gentle 700 milliseconds. Do this same for third artboard also. So guys, are you excited to watch the preview? So let's preview the animation for car delivery app. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So we will meet in next amazing XD design video.